Junto conosco nós temos Ruthmairis Joseph, Representante di Punda Vibes, e também Mr. Stuart Till, CFO di Penha. Welcome, guys.
Hi.
Stuart, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Enjoying the night?
Yeah, it's a great night here at Punda Vibes.
Stuart, just a few minutes ago, we were talking about how Punda has improved with Punda Vibes, but what are the other plans that you have?
Yes, we have a few strategic initiatives that we're developing with Punda Vibes as one of the strategic initiatives. And the other ones are developing the property in Punda. And there's kind of a magic key to unlocking the charm
What
of
is
Punda. And the magic key, it's apartments. Because when you bring living back to downtown, after that you get the horeca back and you get the nightlife back. And look at the charm in Punda. Would you want to be here at night?
Of course.
With nightlife?
Who wouldn't? Actually, we talked about that as well. So we noticed that there were a few apartments already. So you already started with it, or?
We have 20 apartments which we are in build right now.
Okay.
And we expect them to be finished by the end of the year.
Okay.
And we have another 20 that are scheduled in for after that.
Okay.
And if you take an example from Peter Mai, after they opened 30 student rooms, they already had 2 new bars opening, and then the synergy starts to happen.
Yes.
And the life comes back.
Exactly.
So the key to unlocking the magic and the charm of Punda is through apartments.
I like it. Actually, I love it. And Ruthmairis, ako como representante di Punda Vibes, conta-nos kung é parte organizatória também e como se anda curva de várias tours e webs na.
May Vanja.
Conta.
E preparação de tour semana também ando hobby bom. Ando nossa curva tour semana para 13 cambio. Maneira riba Gomes Plain. Tour semana nós temos workshop de Latin workshop entre 7 horas a 8 horas por nada. Com nossa curva cambiar de tour semana 13 outro baile. Nós estamos salsa, semana passada nós estamos bachata e assim nós queremos cambiar tour semana 13 variação. Só como para cambiar tiki e para ainda não bini. Sim, para não só como canção tiki de mesmo coisa.
Mesmo coisa, verdade. Pero bastante se não houve um trabalho, mas não tem diferentes coisas, para muita também.
Sim, sim também.
Família, pues keep it up. And
you.
thank you guys for being here and for welcoming us as well and give us the opportunity to present our show today.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.